Replace these 7 habits and you will be unstoppable in life. The desire to become unstoppable in life and achieve everything you dreamed of is great, but the secret to reaching there is in your habits. Number 1, replace overthinking with actions by thinking too much. You create fake scenarios that don't exist by taking action. You discover things that will take you to another level and make you unstoppable. Number 2, replace complaining with gratitude. You will see the bad in people and expect perfection. Perfection is a lie and doesn't exist. This will increase your dissatisfaction in life, which will lead to a miserable life. Number 3, replace blame with responsibility. Take responsibility for your actions and consequences. It increases your self-awareness, self-confidence, and self-esteem. Number 4, replace TV with exercises and books. TV is a great way to relax, but when it becomes a habit, it's bad. Replace it with exercise and books, then see how your life improves speedily. Number 5, replace fake friends with mentors. It's better to stay alone and do your things than to be around fake friends who only use you. Replace them with mentors who have what you want. Number 6, replace fast foods with home-cooked foods. Home-cooked foods are personalized and can save money and time. It's also fun cooking your own meal. Number 7, replace late-night movies and shows with sleep. Lack of enough sleep worsens your health and decreases your productivity and focus. That's something we don't want. Take care of your physical and mental health. They are a powerful asset.